The bobolink is a bird worth knowing. It is a grasslander and a long-distance migrant. You find the bobolink only in grasslands and in North America only in spring and summer. This member of the oriole tribe is also a cohort breeder. That means that a group of bobolinks sticks together all year, migrating together, breeding as neighbors, raising a brood, then gathering into big flocks for the trek back to Venezuela. We don't see one or two bobolinks. They are notably social, and if we see one, we see several, either as a breeding community or on a migration stop. The breeding cohorts that visit North America stick together, and they require a lot of contiguous grassland to set up shop. Researchers at the University of Vermont say they need at least 60 acres of managed grasslands to support a breeding cohort. Specialized habitat needs, strict social guidelines, and long-distance migration put the bobolink at peril. They need our grasslands. In fact, we need our grasslands too.